High in the jagged peaks of the Hoenn region's meteorite falls, the air is thin and the terrain is unforgiving. Here, among the razor-sharp crags, lives a creature defined by frustration. This is the Bagon, a small, flightless reptile with a skull hard enough to shatter granite. But the Bagon does not care for the earth beneath its claws. It cares only for the sky above. Biology has played a cruel joke on this hatchling. It possesses the instinct of a bird, but the body of a tank. Driven by a genetic memory of flight, the Bagon flings itself from cliffs, hoping, praying that gravity will release its hold. It fails, again and again. The impact is absorbed by its calcified skull, a biological helmet evolved solely for these repeated, desperate failures. But this pain serves a purpose. It stimulates the cells, preparing them for a radical change. Exhausted by a youth of blunt trauma, the Bagon retreats to the deep caves. Its skin hardens, its bones fuse. It becomes a Shelgon. To the untrained eye, it appears dormant, but inside this bone-white fortress, a biological furnace is roaring. The creature is fasting, consuming its own muscle mass to fuel a restructuring of its DNA. You can see the heat escaping, jets of steam venting from the cracks in its shell. It is a waiting game, a test of endurance. Months pass, perhaps years. The shell, once pristine white, is now gray and brittle. The internal pressure is critical. Watch closely. The armor fractures. A guttural roar shakes the cavern. This is not a birth. It is an explosion of evolution. From the ruins of its former self, the dream emerges. Wet, leathery wings unfurl, pumping with hot, oxygenated blood. The heavy armor is gone, replaced by aerodynamic scales. The Salamence, the apex of the draconic world, it tests the air. A single beat of these massive red wings generates a shockwave strong enough to flatten the surrounding timber. It launches. Finally, gravity is conquered. It soars at Mach speeds, a predator of the clouds, breathing fire to warm the high-altitude air. The creature that once fell from these cliffs now rules them. The dream is real.